Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. My name is Shelby, aka simply Shelby. So today I'm gonna be doing a Skims review. I'm really excited. I am focusing this review on the Skims bodysuit in particular, but in their new one that they released that has like a thicker strap. So I'm really excited to try it. If you're interested in seeing how the bodysuit looks, I'm gonna be trying it with these jeans that are pretty tight on me to see if they'll fit a little better. I would love it if you stick around, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up if you're feeling the vibes, and turn on the post notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, and let's get into the try on. Okay, so we got the Skims bodysuit right here. This is the first time I'm ever trying a Skims bodysuit. I'm really excited. You know, they blow up online. It was pretty pricey, like in Canadian dollars, I paid over $100. I think in USD it's like 90 something. I'll pop the price here, but it is quite expensive. But I really want to try it because I saw Kim on one of her new posts. She had this bodysuit and it had a thicker strap, which I would rather have than the cami, just because I thought if I'm wearing it in the summer a lot, I would like the thicker strap. So I got the Skims bodysuit. It's a seamless Sculpt scoop neck thong bodysuit. And I got it in a size medium. So I think technically on the size range, waist-wise, I probably could have gotten a small. But seeing all the reviews and photos online, they are tiny shapewear when they come out the box. So I got a medium just to be safe, because I'm like, if I'm gonna be wearing it out in the summer, I don't want like my fat popping out from the back or things like that. Like, I don't want it to squeeze too much. So I got a size medium for reference in the color Onyx. So let's open it up. Okay, so I feel like this is the funny part, because whenever I see it online, it literally looks like a baby clothing or something, like clothing for babies, but this is what it looks like. So like I said, I have these pretty tight jeans on. I'm just wearing it with this tube top, but I have these jeans on. They're probably my tightest jeans I have. They sit pretty snug on me, and you can see like a little bit here. So I want to try it on with this bodysuit. So as you can see with this bodysuit, it has the thicker straps here. It is a thong in the back, which is really nice. It isn't, oh, it does have clips too. I didn't even think it would have clips because it was a thong, but it has clips too, which is even better, you know, because the one thing about bodysuits is it's really hard if you need to go pee and you don't got no clips here. So that's nice to have the clips there. And yeah, it has a little booby cup, so we'll see if bra is necessary. I don't think so, but this is how it is looking. So I'm gonna try it on with my jeans to see if my jeans fit a lot better. Yo, the way I struggle to put this on, I'm gonna be serious. I struggle putting this on. This is a size medium, and literally, like, I couldn't breathe trying to put this on. Like, it's compressing me so much, which is what you want. It's for sure what you want. But man, was this a struggle. But here's how the top is looking. I have my jeans on. We're gonna try the button test. But here's how the top part is looking. Here's the back. And yeah, I like these thicker straps because for me, like, I like to try to hide this part of the arms as best as possible. So there it is, and it's kind of like this nice scoop neck, not wearing a bra, and this is how it is looking. So let's test out my jeans to see if they'll fit better. So I have my jeans on here. As I said earlier, it was really hard to button them. So we're gonna try to button them now and see how they fit. Literally, like, that was so much easier to button on, because normally when I button them, they do run tight. Now, they're still tight jeans. Don't get me wrong. It's not like the jeans got bigger in this process. It's just because of this compression and shapewear, it made the jeans a lot more seamless to button up. So here's how it is looking in the back. I'll step back here for a second. I'll walk forward. But yeah, this is how the bodysuit looks. I think it looks really cute. I can't wait to wear it in the summer. Throw on a blazer, throw on a jacket, wear it with jeans, wear it with shorts. I think it's gonna be such a cute piece. And wear it under a dress if you want. It is shapewear, so like, use it as shapewear if you can. I'm gonna try to think of ways that I can use it with pieces that I might have that are fitting snug or things like that. So I'm really excited to wear this like all year round, to be honest. Like, why not? So this is how it looks. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have tried the new Skims shapewear collection, or what you think about these thicker straps versus thinner straps, or what you think about Skims in general. I know I'm a Skims lover, but you know, not everyone might feel the same. But let me know what you think. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you felt the vibes. Turn on post notification bell, that way you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!